Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Japanese PlayStation 1. We are going to try a mod with an Arduino Nano and a Psnee code. The Japanese version of the PlayStation 1 has an extra BIOS protection which needs patching. It requires some extra wires to be soldered to the motherboard. In my last video I got a couple requests if I could make a video about the Japanese PlayStation 1. So I ordered one from Japan. The first one went missing and the second one thankfully arrived. So yeah, let's go and look how to program the Nano with the Psnee code for the Japanese version of the PlayStation. So the first thing we need to know is what version BIOS this PlayStation 1 have, because we have to comment this in the Arduino sketch. We can look at the back. The first indicator is this is a 5500 model, and if we go to the Github page from FreePSXBoot and scroll down, it has a nice overview of the versions or the models and what BIOS version the model has. So we know this is a 5500 model, so it shows here as a 3.0 BIOS. So let's try programming the Arduino Nano with the settings for the 3.0 BIOS. So in the last video I showed you how to download the Psnee code from the Github page and extract it to the desktop. We still have the folder here and we can open it, go to the Psnee folder and open the sketch. In here you will also see that the 5500 version should have the 3.0 BIOS. So in this case we're going to uncomment this, and we are using the Arduino Nano with a 328P chip on it. So we're going to uncomment this one. The settings are still the same. I'm still using the USB Tiny to program it with the clamp. It makes it a lot easier to do. So if we go to the settings, in tools, boards, we have the Psnee core folder. I showed in the last video how to install this, and we select the 328. In variants we select the 328P, and as the programmer we use a USB Tiny ESP. So now we're going to connect the Nano to the chip, to the programmer, sorry. The light is on and we're going to click upload. It should compile the sketch and it should upload, and it's already finished. So now we're going to solder this in the PlayStation 1 and see if we can get this working. Okay, following the installation guide on the Github page, we have to solder all the wires to the back of the PlayStation motherboard. This is the FCK point. This is the data point. There are only two wires on the top of the board. These are the BIOS points. These 2 points, the blue and purple, are the SQCK and the sub-Q points. And a little bit above this we have the reset point. It's in the bottom via. Above this we have the VCC point and the ground point. And these are all the points on the back of the board. If we turn this over, we have to locate the BIOS chip, and we have 2 wires we have to solder here. These are the AX and the DX points. The left one is the AX point and the right one is the DX point. So yeah, after that's finished, let's check it out. So here we can see the Arduino Nano. I soldered the wires to the board we will be using the points like in the installation guide, D9, D8, D7, D6, D4, D2, ground and reset. I'll be using an alternative point for the VCC. I have more success with this point here, you can see. The rest stay all the same, like in the installation guide. The rest of the pinout is the same for D9, W, FCK, then data, sub-Q, SQCK. The switch we don't use. D2 is the AX point and D4 is the deep X point. Reset is reset and ground is ground. And like I say, I use the alternative point here for the VCC. This works better for me, and yeah, this is how it should look for you too. Okay, so after soldering the wires, I like to place the Arduino Nano like this. I can see the red light through the grill and see the injection of the code. So yeah, let's try this. Let's turn it on. We see the red light, so it's injecting code. And this is an USA version of Silent Hill. And it's booting. So I hope this helps, guys, and let me know if it's working for you, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.